What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another market recap. It's currently 11:34 a.m. The market is not over yet, but I am doing a little market recap so I can show you guys my gains for the day and where exactly the market is for the day. So, first of all, I want to start with this. I'm up currently $40,000, as you can see on my screen, from BYND with a $9,000 investment. So, if you do the math, it was around 400%, a little over 400%. And BYND killed earnings today. So let me show you guys what happened to BYND. They killed earnings, and they, caught a few upgrades from major banks this morning. So that added to the boost at the morning rally, 135.80 at its high. Definitely a great little trade today. So 40,000 in profits. What made me get into this trade was one, BYND has been killing it since its IPO. And it's just honestly been going up. So usually you get the pop on IPO and then it just comes back down, but it never came back down. It just kept going up. So that was a little like, okay, maybe this is a great company. And then also at 3:55 p.m., 5 minutes before market close, I got news that two people invested $1 million each into $110 calls. So there were definitely some confidence in the people. So I got into 110 calls for June 14th. So for next week. So it gave me 1 week of, get back time just in case anything happened. So it was definitely a good play. So 40,000 in profits right here with BYND. Also, the market right now is green, up 280 points at a high of like 300 and change, I would say. Reason because of that is because this morning we got the job report, which was one of the most important reports we've gotten in a while, because today signaled that there was a higher chance we would get a Fed rate cut. So the reason why it was a higher chance is because, one, the job report wasn't good. So usually when the job report isn't good, the market goes down. But today, markets wanted it to be a bad report because they wanted a Fed rate cut. So as you can see, in the morning, Dow futures went negative, and then they came back and just skyrocketed. And you can see SPY just hitting a high, or the Dow hitting a high right here at 26,072. It's currently at 25,983. So Dow killed it this morning. Now there's definitely a higher chance that we get a Fed rate cut, and the markets can see it happening. Also, we have the Mexico tariff thing. That's another boost to our gains today in the market. So you can see right here, U.S. may turn off Mexico tariffs over the weekend if talks continue to go well. That was at 9:59 a.m. So that added to a little pop right here, as you can see right here. Another little pop. It was around right here. So market stabilized over here. It was definitely already up for the day, and then took another boost when the news came in. So that's another good news, definitely positive for the market overall, so you don't have to deal with all the BS from the political side. And that's about it for the day, but I can show you my heads up that I just gave for Tesla. I didn't get in personally. I just wanted to protect some profits. I was waiting for it to confirm, but it would happen too quick. So Tesla broke middle VWAP. You can see that it took a big dip from around 208. Now it's at 206.58, and it's still going down. So the reason Tesla's going down is because it found resistance around the 208 to 210 level. Usually that's its resistance. If you look at the 4-hour chart, it's also overbought. So I do think it needs to come down before it can go up again. Also, you can see there's resistance right here. There's resistance at multiple levels for Tesla. It's crazy. So yeah, Tesla needs to get out of this range right here. So you can see big drop right here. Range is around 208 to 210 for its resistance, but the market is coming down. You can see right here. You can see the market coming down right now. Just taking a little breather. Anything can happen over the weekend. That's why it's coming back down, because yes, the U.S. may turn off Mexico, but the key word is may turn off may. It's not 100% sure yet. Also, you can see, let me show you Roku. Wanted to get into Roku, but I was too busy. Roku broke middle VWAP. Also, the market was coming down at the same time. You can see that just because it breaks middle VWAP doesn't allowed it to just come down, because most of the time it can break it and then come back up. So the reason I thought this was going to come down was because the market was coming down. It peaked. The market peaked as it was on the verge. So that made it more vulnerable to coming down. So Roku would have been another signal. Didn't get into it. It's my fault. No, I was too hesitant on that. But other than that, there isn't much going on in the market. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll have the vlog up, so make sure you're there for that. I'll probably put it up around 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. So I usually have an educational video that comes out tomorrow, but tomorrow will be the vlog. And then Sunday, I'll give you a stock watch list with the hottest stocks I'm looking at for the week. So I'll see you guys. Peace.